How to fix TikTok streaks not working. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you want to navigate through your Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using. Now the reason why we are inside our store markets right here is because we want to make sure that TikTok is updated to the latest version. And so in that way, we will be able to make sure that the TikTok streaks feature is available on our device. Right after clicking on the TikTok application or the TikTok page right here, you can just go ahead and make sure that there is no update button. If you see one, you can just go ahead and click on it. Right after that, if still the TikTok streaks is not working, you can just go ahead and open up your system settings right here. And once inside, you want to navigate through the general settings. Click on iPhone storage and you want to go ahead and look for TikTok. Now once inside TikTok, you can just go ahead and offload the application, and this will go ahead and free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Now right after offloading the application, you can just go ahead and click on the reinstall app, and in that way it will go ahead and force update the application to the latest version on the App Store. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.